Hello everyone, welcome back to my reasoning class. Today we'll be learning non-verbal reasoning or series. So if you go through these questions, you may feel that you are able to answer all the questions. Definitely will be. These are of moderate level. But only the thing is you have to be fast, because if you sit for any competitive exam or anything, there you may need to answer 100 or more than that in 60 minutes, maybe sometimes less than that. So the thing is you have to be fast, and for that you have to practice. There is no trick for these questions at all. So only the trick is you have to practice, and for practicing you can go through my playlist. There you will find many such problems. So let's start today's first problem. Today's first problem. Here there are 4 figures. These are following a particular pattern. You need to find out the 5th figure of this series. The answer figures are noted as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amongst this, you will find one particular figure which follows the same pattern. You may pause the video, then try to solve it out. After that, I'll explain. Here, the pattern is, see, in each step, the bigger element is lost or disappears. The smaller element gets enlarged, right? This cross has become bigger and a new element has come in the middle. See, the same thing follows here. The bigger element is lost. The smaller element is enlarged and a new element, small element, has come in the middle. Here also it follows the same pattern. So now from the option figures, find out which follows the same thing. Here the smaller element gets enlarged in which figure? In these 3. Okay. In the middle a new element appears. So these two, amongst these two will find the answer. But in each figure, see, a new element, a new smaller element has come in the middle. Where can you find a new element? In 2, because here it is plus. So here also we got in these 2 figure also we got this plus. So star is the new element. So 2 will be the answer. Okay, next. Problem number 2. See, here in each step the moon-like figure rotates 90 degrees clockwise. See, and in the middle of the moon-like figure you can find line segment. In the next figure, circle, again line segment, again circle. Okay, and a new figure appears in each step. So where you can find the same pattern, see, if this figure rotates 90 degrees clockwise, then we can find these 2 will be the option. Again line segment, circle, line segment, circle, then again it must be line segment. So you can eliminate this one and this one will be the answer. Let me check whether the other property follows or not. See, in each figure a new element has come and here also a new element has come. So 2 will be the answer. Okay, next. In problem number 3, see here there are 2 elements in each box. These 2 elements are rotating like this. Here it is like this, then like this, then like this, and then again like this. Again it will become like this. So see, in the option figures all figures are like this only. Next, in each figure the elements, some new element, 2 new elements are coming, and amongst them one is shaded, right? Again the pattern shows that this one is white, black, black, white, or empty, shaded, shaded, empty, right? white black, black white, white black, black white, again white and black. It will be in the answer figures, it will become white and black. So from the option figures, this one is white and black, white black, white black, white black. But similar and new figure, where you can see this in option number 4. This one is white and this one is shaded. So 4 will be the answer. Okay. Next. Problem number 4. Here you can see in each figure the elements are rotating in the clockwise direction. Here the circle moves here, triangle moves here. In the next step the square moves here and this element is disappeared in the next step. Instead a new figure has come here. The same pattern follows here. Also you can check. This one moves here, this one moves here, this one moves here, and this square element is disappeared. Instead a new element has come to here. Okay. Here also, to follow the same pattern, what should be the answer figure? This one should move here, C should go there, this one should be here, so, and a new element should come here. So which follows this pattern? Here 5 follows the same pattern, see, and a new element has come, that is S. So 5 will be the answer. Okay. Next. Problem number 5, today's last problem. Here you can see in the first figure you can find one circle. In the next figure you can see one new arrow has come and it's been attached with the circle. Again in the next step a new figure has come in the adjacent corner, adjacent clockwise corner. Okay. Then again a new arrow has come. In the next step what will happen then? A new figure will come in the clockwise adjacent corner, that means here. Where you can find this? In option number 2. See, these two figures are same and a new figure has come here. So 2 will be the answer. Okay. So this is all for today. If you find my videos to be useful for you, you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos with your friends so that I can get some encouragement. I'll definitely come with some new problems, new patterns and everything. So for today, bye bye.